Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Required information. The following information applies to the questions displayed below. Information on noun manufacturing activities for its first month of operations follows. A. Purchased $1 lakh of raw materials on credit. B. Materials requisitions show the following materials used for the month: job 201, job 202. Total direct materials, indirect materials, total materials used. C. Time tickets show the following: labor used for the month, job 201, job 202. Total direct labor, indirect labor, total labor $48,200, $23,600, $71,800, 8,620, $80,420. D. Applied overhead to job 201 and to job 202 using a predetermined overhead rate is 80% of direct materials cost. E. Transferred job 201 to finished goods inventory. F. Sold job 201 for $1,63,760 on credit. Record cost of goods sold for job 201. G. Incurred the following actual other overhead costs for the month: depreciation of factory equipment, rent on factory building payable, factory utilities payable, expired factory insurance. Total other factory overhead costs $39,200, $12,600, $51,800, $24,200, $76,000. Required 1 prepare a job cost sheet for job 201 and for job 202 for the month. Compute gross profit on the sale of job 201. Complete this question by entering your answer in the tabs below. Required to materials, labor, overhead total cost $32,000, 500, 800, 3,000, $36,300. Prepare a job cost sheet for job 201 and for job 202 for the month. Job number 201, 202. Required 1, required 2. Compute gross profit on the sales of job 201. Gross profit job 201. Required 1, required 2. Correct answer is: let's break down the problem and provide a solution. Job cost sheet. To prepare a job cost sheet for job 201 and job 202, we need to calculate the total cost for each job. Job 201, direct materials $32,200, direct labor $48,200, overhead 80% of direct material cost equal $25,600. Calculated as $32,000 multiplied 0 cents at. Total cost $32,000 plus $48,200 plus $25,600 equal $1,05,800. Job 2. Direct materials $23,600, direct labor $8,620. Assuming this is the direct labor for job 202, but the problem does not explicitly state the labor for each job, so let's assume the rest of the labor is for job 202. $80,420, 48 minus $48,200 equal $32,220. For job 202 is direct and indirect labor, and job 202 is direct labor is indeed $8,620. As per the total direct labor given, the table is not explicitly broken down between the jobs for labor other than the totals. Hence, we will proceed with given data. Direct labor for job 202 is given as $8,620. Let's assume the 200 let's assume the $1,220 and includes indirect labor for the both jobs, and job 201's labor is entirely direct overhead. 80% of direct materials cost equal $18,880 calculated as $23,600 multiply 0 cents at total cost $620 plus $18,880 equal $51,100. Gross profit. To compute the gross profit on the sale of job 201, sales price $163,760. Cost of goods sold $105,800. Gross profit $163,760 minus $105,800 equal $57,960. The final answer are job cost sheets. Job 201 total cost $105,800. Job 2 total cost $51,100. Gross profit on job 201 $57,960. So that was our question and answer. If you have any other question, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching the video. For more helpful, subscribe my channel Class Beta so that helpful videos will reach you soon. Bye bye.